Hello and welcome to Innovin Recipes. Today we are making a very simple but delicious Suji Barfi. It's quick, budget-friendly and perfect for festival or sudden sweet cravings. Let's get started. In a saucepan add half cup sugar, 1.5 cup of water, 2 cardamoms. Barfi is one of the most common sweets in South Asia with hundreds of variations. Let it boil until the sugar completely dissolves. Turn off the heat and keep it aside. This will be our sugar syrup. Now in another pan, heat 3 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1 cup Suji or Semolina and roast it on low heat. Ghee is key, don't reduce it too much. Always roast Suji on low heat to avoid burning or raw taste. This version needs no khoa or condensed milk, yet tastes just as rich. Keep stirring and roast for 5 to 7 minutes or until the color turns slightly golden and the aroma comes out. Suji is called semolina in English and is made from durum wheat. Suji desserts are often made during religious festivals like Navratri and Eid. Add half cup powder milk. Mix well. Use powder milk instead of liquid for easy mixing and rich flavor. And pour in the prepared sugar syrup slowly while mixing. Use hot sugar syrup, it helps cook the mixture faster and gives better texture. Stir well to avoid lumps. Cover for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook until the mixture thickens and start to leave the sides of the pan. Take a 6-inch mold, grease it lightly with oil and place baking paper inside. Pour the mixture in, flatten evenly. Suji is rich in iron and helps in improving energy levels. Powder milk provides calcium and protein. Cardamom aids digestion and adds natural sweetness. A small square of this homemade barfi can satisfy sweet cravings without added preservatives. And let it set for about 1 hour. Once set, cut into beautiful square pieces. Your soft sweet Suji Barfi is ready. Have you ever tried making Suji Barfi before? What's your favorite Indian or Bengali sweet dish? Would you add nuts or saffron to this recipe? Let us know in the comments. Do you like it soft and melt in mouth or a little firm? Thank you for watching Innovin Recipes. This Suji Barfi is proof that with just few ingredients, you can make something absolutely delightful. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and subscribe for more simple homemade treats. See you next time with another sweet and easy dessert.